Hey paper callers, I'm Jordan Soto with Ringba, the premier call tracking platform for paper call marketers. There are four key aspects of campaigns that can be difficult to maintain if you don't have the right software. Luckily, programs like Ringba exist to optimize your campaigns with tracking, publisher management, call distribution, and reporting. Here's how Ringba helps. If you're advertising in two different weekly newspapers on Facebook, Instagram, and through Google Ads, you know that all of these efforts combined are generating lots of new customers for your business. But if you're not tracking your phone calls, then you won't know whether one is more effective than the other. Listening to call recordings is the best way to learn more about the calls you're generating and improve your marketing campaigns and the performance of your team that's interacting with your customers. Manage publishers seamlessly with Ringba by providing them with their own login and reporting interfaces. You can even assign publishers their own unique tracking phone numbers for each campaign you want to work with them on, and credit their account a payout based on various criteria for every successful call with Ringba. Also, adding a publisher to your account gives your partner access to their statistics, campaigns, and, if allowed, the ability to create numbers and number pools. When you're running a call center, you want your agents to always be on the phone. Using call tracking software like Ringba, you can manage your concurrency to ensure you're always running your call center floor at 90% efficiency at all times. Combined with Ringba's robust load balancing functionality, your agents will be talking to a customer always. Load balancing gives you the ability to route your call overflow to agents who are available. It reduces caller wait time, improves agent productivity, ensures calls are received in a timely manner, and leaves you free to run your contact center at peak proficiency. Ringba gives you the insights you need most from a potential's first interaction with your campaign all the way to the conversion. Call tracking creates a vital data map connecting your offline sales with your marketing efforts, because you'll have full performance data to see how to better optimize your campaigns, as well as how many converted calls a source or publisher generates. Ringba provides a native integration for connecting directly to your Google Ads account to automatically track and report your calls as conversions. This gives you the ability to monitor and optimize your campaigns in real time. If you don't have your own call tracking, then you can't see if the network's statistics are accurate, you have no visibility into what's going on in that phone call, you don't know if the call was legit, and you don't know if the call even happened in the first place. You also don't know how many calls you're generating. By using call tracking, you can keep everyone honest and avoid being taken advantage of. This video is brought to you by Ringba. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per call, visit www.ringba.com.